Okay, today we are making beef bourguignon, right?
I'm not.
She's not, she's gonna film, but I'm gonna make beef bourguignon. We have a friend of ours who has a friend who is a gourmet cook apparently, and she has agreed to teach me how to make one of France's most signature dishes, the beef bourguignon. So we're going to the market and we're gonna get supplies, meat, vegetables, all that kind of stuff. And then we're gonna come back and her name is Babette, of course, like most French name you could possibly have. And she's gonna teach me how to do this. So here we go. Okay, we have finished our shopping. We got everything that we need. Kirsten's bag is full. My bag is full. We're headed back home to start the prep and the cooking process. Wish me luck. Okay, we have the beef bourguignon in the pot. It's marinating in the refrigerator. We're gonna give it a few hours, and then Babette is gonna come back, and we're gonna start the cooking process and hopefully eat it for dinner tonight. Okay, we had a little bit of a change of plans. The oven apparently at our place doesn't work as like we thought it was going to, so I cooked that son of a gun basically all night long, 12 plus hours, and the meat is still really tough, doesn't pull apart. It's supposed to just be like braised meat that pulls apart. So anyway, luckily here at Babette's place, she actually made a batch for herself yesterday, and hers did come out well because she knows her oven, and so we're gonna eat that here. We did bring the mashed potatoes that we made over here, so we're gonna eat those as well. But looks like everything is done. We're gonna sit down and feast.
Tu got back? Got back?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Looks amazing. Très bien.